for your Makaba Likee TV, Mr. Sending our channel so I hit to subscribe or send me drop in the latest news content over the brain on site Macabina ya power in cinema 84 and a day report na Mobakaya and a day Supreme Court essential about Bagbin who ensem ye na report and second say lawyers now uncle about Bagbin lawyers now uncle. Yes, say we are to see Diemu Mokokuya a bubawa. Some Supreme Court no. Yemfa buo emamodia omudi buo bemam na samo pese moye parochial interest e favor nkofu bidia enie nkofu bi so omadwese Supreme Court no ombebu muso mani wonti papa ene o manko lawyers na anko sina se nyema ebobo momba ebobo pa o my Ghana mo no tifo se o my Ghana penifo na mo mani anafa bedu mebi no na constitution no enye adwuma yemo ngrambe na yentie nsem no bi emfi lawyers ni bia no
city mako enan a eye mrahye gyache a me declare vacant kokofa oye ni baaye na NPP kokoso mo ntiase asem na kwakopie Supreme Court ene court no kwa asetena lawyers no abe argue yete se speaker eye lawyer de ne wanko na report ni chiremu a okira nyame yadomo a ena the final verdict minute judgment or ruling no and as interpretation no court na share so okira Tuesday November 12 no omo edebeba na Afenyo Markins say spiritually satag na mo pese mo push you na wo ekokotena minority side no ma hwe bedu o machi it is spiritually it is not good the NPP kokos no beje minority tag na tum kura before elections anya sa na bedu o machi are we talking about emrano and as spiritual matter na dia kokot no
unganza Afenyo Markins parliament and free mason head of
and free mason for head office one
David parliament is parliament how do you know
no any come so far yeah
when I do okay can say or continue who are spiritually no one when they run I mean you don't the spirits don't know that there's law and even the spirits works with rules until now ofum bosuma otimi kum send you home when
I know there
or shamara ma and if what bahay in nikusiada what bahay and your bar said you were bunning and nada. Or some ramo. Ubuswa. What about count? Into a moment, you're trying to book the there's no written or coded constitution or whatever for the boss and the police or whatever. But if you follow them and they give you their rules through their spokespersons, i.e., the fetish priests, the malams, name them. I mean, we are all represented to me. What the Nemran Samawa, you're trying to what's a Ghana constitution. That's what this one. All right,
I see.
And we know, and yes, spiritual matter is physical. And to physical realms means what? There are laws, there are rules and regulations, there are codes or whatever, regulations and among other things. And also, it's three and another three and more here too. And also, if you violate it, it has its consequences. And the consequences, I mean, it's not a responsible person. It doesn't matter whether you are Afenyo Markins or you are whoever. If you violate it, you have violated it.
I see. Yes, case in Ankasa itself. So far, Babi Abrubru so akwakodro no. Court na sha so china and ordinary ruling ebeba. Na our forecasting ka article 97.1 ye GNF no de eke clear. Etie sesenka ye twe ansam da wura babedu ha. So far, proceedings are atoto dwa babe pem babi ya duru ya ochina. Ye bom person Yankopon ma de panchi yen. Na afei so ye ntie ne court batan de beba no. Lawyer, what did they say?
Well, it's okay. I agree with you that Robert can say very clear. The G and H, not G and F. But the courts has made several judicial pronouncements. In those pronouncements, one more can say, no matter how clear the thing is, and if people are still arguing about it, even though it's clear. But once NPP was say, oh, David, And yes, and it's a futuristic, then it means that the court has to speak over it and tell us what it really means, whether it's truly futuristic or it is not. And then we know the way forward. And some sort of.
What sort of?
It's not any. You're better than yet. But as a man for be, I care for no. I predict the crowd and yet I did, but we never try. We never try. No one try what's that. Or it's now about the career. Nothing, you know. Young baby, society and everybody.
But a bit say a time the first sitting a year lawyer Tadio sorry call ye na one a year Chief Justice her leadership a year Gertrude Mami Toko no na argument about na Mami me keys and pronouncement to be said we live in a country whereby Parliament is not sitting. What is going on? We are in constitutional crisis now. I said the CJ has already predicted the outcome of the case na da hono. Sa for no more cancer ono mo yadwene.
The Supreme Court anymore. It's not about whether Parliament will sit or not.
Exactly.
And I'm very glad that Senator Adosori, as experienced, knowledgeable, learned as he is, he didn't allow that to fly, but immediately responded to that. Me, I come here, sir, to a year and another council. Said, one man fly, not train agencies. Madam, we are not here for Parliament to sit. We are here for interpretation. And only as some of the Markins debate anymore. So we're paying to the move. It's not about whether or not Parliament to sit. I don't think you can compare Parliament to sit. What do I say? You know, yes, sir, or train agent assessor, or not who you are not very well. I mean, on to at the sign that you maybe another. Parliament sitting or not sitting has got nothing to do with the Supreme Court. Parliament in Tennessee, it's not a deliberate means of they not sitting. They have done that in accordance with their rules, in accordance with their practice, in accordance with their constitution, with the constitution and everything. Until you know, being a deliberate because of my Parliament in Tennessee, no one get you worried about it. No. That's what I say. We just create unnecessary things. That is my opinion, respectfully. We create unnecessary things. But the problem we are facing today is not because, look at the very recent one. Last week again. The Parliament not sit.
Yeah.
Were they not called to come and sit? They were called, right?
Yeah. Yeah,
when they were called and they appeared, those who did the calling, did they appear?
No.
Caucus meeting and almost is that one important than sitting in the chamber to do government business as you portray? Is it more important than the government business that you're supposed to be in the chamber? Because they know that procedurally, you need to sit before the speaker comes in. Once the maize is brought to its place, anything woman knew the no way. Okay, I'm so. And this is one of our baby a better than Tina. Who said you are supposed to sit at majority position before you can do your business? Who said that? Which law? Which constitution? Which part? And which understanding what there's in the kind of say where you don't sit at majority position, you cannot do your business. But I say, see, I got to a banana. And NDC has strong majority, and a minority. Even as you have won the presidency, and wouldn't you have done government business? It is a what then stops you from doing that? Now we have one necessary excuse out of and go for. And as it were, NPP, as you know, they will always continue excuses to be fooling their supporters, lying to them, not letting them know the truth. Over the weekend, and I got the opportunity to meet some people, and I took time to educate them. Educate them. And you could see that after everything that I gave them, those who didn't understand certain things came to understand it. A video be a trend there. Who forced to say, yeah, I am still the majority that say it. You don't have to call for that.
And upon I'm share GTV, then yet say one of our colleagues in the Boycott say or address it. Afenyo Markins say the leader of the NPP caucus. Yes, in the
Is he not the leader of the NPP caucus?
Yeah, or try no person or attacking or assaulting the panel.
What is he not the leader of the NPP caucus?
Yeah, he's the leader of the NPP caucus.
Is Ạtttıck not the leader of the NDC caucus?
Yes.
So it is like saying, when you met me, you said Chumberima Esquire. You didn't say lawyer Chumberima. I said no. Chumberima Esquire and lawyer Chumberima. I got the problem. If you are a leader of the NDC caucus or MPP caucus, does that not make you the same person as the minority leader or majority leader, whichever way that you fall? The title minority leader or majority leader comes with numbers. That one is the number of your people, the number of your team, the number of your caucus, and will tell whether or not you are majority or minority. But the leadership, whether you are majority or minority, you are still a leader of that caucus. I am bravo.
But I don't know catch them say one. Now they were expecting that. And Kasane Okasenka procedurally no Senka omoko nyina kokko transe then na speaker aba whatever be a kitan or whatever, but unfortunately that didn't happen. And Apenyoma came here to say na komo twen say woni KT amount one must komo twen senka speaker be kwako nyina ka say see an there per the ruling from the Supreme Court no saying that the minority should move to the left side of the speaker. Then now we say some the right side of the speaker. It's hard to see the they won't go today, they won't go tomorrow.
Do you know that is a decision?
Decision by who?
No. Do you know that pronouncement is a form of a decision?
Oh, okay.
I'm asking you. That pronouncement what can
Yes.
Should Right Honorable Alban Bagbin, should he make that pronouncement? It's a form of decision. Because you are saying that from today, you are supposed to do A, B, C, D. You are deciding, you are bringing the pronouncement, the finality to a point. And the same Supreme Court that they have gone to, in the case of Justice Abdullahi, you can only make decisions on the floor of Parliament or in Parliament only when you have not less than half of the members present sitting. Did they have that number?
No.
So how did they want him to talk or to make that pronouncement when he didn't have half of the house? Or they wanted to go and sit at Independence Square with megaphones. This is stop this childish play.
Project John Mahama, we see the mame, and then had John Mahama Kasa, the same subject matter you do on CI. And I want to read near Papanaka without any okay, Mami Kotun ye. Okay, so let me maybe before I'll be project on screen so near had here. Okay, so the caption here, vacant seat controversy. Solution is political and not legal. If I were the president, I'll bring the two political sides together and solve it amicably. This is coming from John Mahama.
Yeah. And Penisa didn't put the Yansan. I was simple for Jabon, was a study, Obini Yabam would say, and you'll be an woman in Obi Wagene by Sabi will mean answer. Obisu Yansan, so Sabi will Yagene. So that's it. Obisu will be running in every word, Junison will Yansan Pendream. The American citizens say, where you are some more kind of what? Markins you baby. I'm saying what you say. Same men sabun and Kaya leader. Kawi Emma.
Or say Chairman Sabonsu. One call Lady NPP caucus no parliament is young can you no.
Kema. NPP now don't have a leader.
Lawyer.
Yeah.
Afenyo Markins on air day.
Woman leader.
Afenyo Markins is their leader or lawyer.
Woman leader. Woman will be Ankawema. Also, Penny said, Sabi, after I said, one if you are compass of a in Gra Ediagro. leader, leader and Kawim. Look at the behavior that he put up on the day that the speaker even made his pronouncement. I was a one-year leader. You see, there are certain characteristics of a leader, but if you lack them, you can lead. A leader is not just a figure standing before people, no, or sitting in front of people, no, or taking titles or forcing people to pronounce some title on him, no. That's not a leader. But a leader is the one who is able to command those characteristics. And you can see those characteristics in his actions and in inactions. That confirms that this person is a leader. Afenyo Markins doesn't have those characteristics to lead them to the caucus. And I would advise them, humbly, next parliament, they should get a new person to come and lead them. They will struggle in that chamber so much. Almost struggle. One should be discharged, another person should be discharged. These two guys cannot lead them. One will need leadership qualities. Anything I'm a more breno. President of Parliament now. Who is NPP support has been number. No, another break. Do you think James would have brought NPP Parliament? Because I'm married to yes in the yes.
It's for the Master 7 Daily Update TV.